Hi everybody, let me introduce myself to you. First, I'm B.N. Nagraj. I'm a 73 years young person. I'm now a recovered COVID patient, hospitalized for 15 days, had a horrible time, came out of all the danger, and then I've been discharged now. I'm happy that I am at home with my family. My sincere advice is stay at home, don't go. Age is not the factor. COVID is attacking everybody in the second and the third phase. So be careful, stay at home, dig your old hobbies. If you're old, dig your old hobbies and start giving a life to your old hobbies. I have many hobbies in my kitty, like I'm a philatelist, I'm a numismatist, I'm a table tennis player, play for the nationals as well as state in the above 70 category. I'm a guitarist and also I am an artist who perform in Chitrakala Parishad in Karnataka every year from the past 4 years. Okay, COVID has taught us a very nice lesson. Okay, be careful, don't take things easy. It might attack anybody wherever you are. It is not that mingling and social distance, but to be on the safer side, always keep that social distance, wear mask, right? So just about 15 days back, I have recovered, I have got up myself, I want to regenerate myself and I want to keep fit by digging my old hobbies. As I told you, numismatist is a subject of coin collection. I am not a professional coin collection. I just collect for hobbies. For the sake of fun, I just collect it and keep it in my kitty. There are different ways of collecting the coins. They call it as what we call it as thematic collections, and they randomly collect. So I am one of the person who randomly collects the coins. I am not a thematic person. Okay, some has what do you call it as commemorative coins are issued, and some are regular circulation coins. So some people collect only the commemorative coins. They buy, go to Reserve Bank of India, collect that, and then make it as a profession and try to sell it when things are good. But I am not for it. I just collect randomly. Okay. So as I told you, there are so many types of this thing. One is a commemorative, one is a regular collections of the coins. So most of the commemorative coins are collected and sold later. Okay, there are different types of, for example, I got an album here. Normally people preserve the coins in album like this. As you see, different sizes you get. Okay, you can collect and put it in an album like this. Make the album very nice album of the coin collection. Okay, similarly, some people collect only notes, just notes. Okay, for them also, there's a different same type of album. Ordinary jacket album you can take. Okay, you can start collecting your notes this way. All right. As you see, I have not even validated or not sent for any valuation of my stamps or my coins to anybody. I just collect it for the sake of interest and time pass. Okay. Now today, let us examine some of the notes which are released, very old notes which are released and which I have got in my kitty. I'll not go to any foreign country collections. I'll just take out some of the old Indian currencies which I have got. Many people will have, But I'm proud to display my some of the notes to you. Like, for example, if you look at this, you get a series of 1 rupee note over here, right? You can see 1 rupee notes. Okay, like that. You can see the 2 rupees notes over here, right? Now, you can see like that 5 rupees notes. You can see 5 rupees notes also, like this here, and then again 5 rupees notes, okay. And then 10 rupees old notes. Most of them are not in circulation. As on today, they are not in circulation, but they are kept with me as a collection, right? Okay, now you see there is a, what do you call it, as an 100 rupee note over here. Okay, now you can see this 100 rupee note, a old 100 rupee note. Okay, now on the reverse side also you can see that old 100 rupee note. You won't get it nowadays, but looks so nice. I don't know the value of it. Okay, now like this, there are some notes. 200. See that for 500 rupees note, which is banned now, that is also kept with me. And these are called as some of the defective notes. Recently issued 500 rupees note, there are some defects. I'll explain the defects to you on these notes. Okay, let's examine one of the notes, which is here. Okay, see, this is a Gandhi. Okay, now what defect you can find on this? A layman cannot find out the defect, but look at this. The image of the Gandhi here, the image of the Gandhi is double image. Examine your regular note. The image of the Gandhi will be one single image, but here it is a double image note. And the second defect on this, what you see is a watermark. Okay, watermark is not in alignment. Now you can see this note watermark, and the next note, just see the alignment of the watermark. The R is Reserve Bank of India. R is completely covered by the watermark. These are all called as the defective notes. Okay, there is one more type of defective note. I'll show you in 500 rupees itself. Now, look at this note. The white portion on the top is smaller and the white portion at the bottom is bigger. That means this note is not centered properly. If you look at the real note, it will be exactly centered. Okay, now the same thing, the vice versa on this note is the bottom portion is smaller and the top portion of the white portion is bigger. But normally any note, if you just take the note, see, both the portion of the notes will be similar. Okay, so all these defective notes has got a lot of values in the market, and it is one way of collections of the what do you call it, as a thematic way of collecting this thing, right? Okay, now if you come back to some of the notes, I don't know, we call it as a 5 rupee note. Okay, this is a tractor mark on it, and this is the 5 rupee note. They say it has got some value. We have to find out what is the value of these notes also. Okay, so this is an only introductory portion of numismatics. There are many ways of collecting this thing. Okay, now in the previous video, I made already one video on coins. Even if you take 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees list, you get various types of coins. Particularly you get commemorative coins. Each is a different. Okay, I have already exhibited some of the commemorative 5 rupees series in my previous video. Please watch that. In my next video I am going to release the different type of 1 rupee, 2 rupees, 10 rupees collection of mine. Okay, so as I told you, this is a simple hobby. Many youngsters do not know about this, so it is high time for the parents or the collectors to educate the youngsters to cultivate this hobby also at home. Okay, COVID time, as I told you, I have recovered from COVID. Now I'm back fit. Okay, now I've dug my old hobbies and started re-looking into it, and I really find pleasure in such hobbies. Please stay at home, stay safe, wear mask when you are going outside, keep the social distance. Okay, if you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and offer your comments. Thank you.